Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to do your makeup when you're wearing a mask. Now, as we all know that wearing a mask is the new normal. You have to wear it every single day of your life. It's very important that you do. But we also know that wearing a mask can cause maskne, and that's something that we definitely don't want. So we have to use the right products on our skin, so it's going to make sure that it does not cause any acne. And also all of the products are transfer proof, because we don't want all of the product on the mask. We want it on our skin. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get that transfer proof base, but also use products that are going to be really good for your skin. And I'm going to be using these three Maybelline Fit Me products. So we have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the concealer and the compact as well. And the reason I'm using these products is because they're non-comedogenic, which means that they're not going to clog your pores. That's going to avoid the maskne on your face. And also they're matte and transfer proof, so it's going to stay all day and it's going to be long lasting as well. And also stay tuned till the end of the video, because I do a transfer proof test as well, so you can see it in action. So I really hope that you enjoy this video, and let's just get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's get started. So first we're going to start off with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now, as you all know that I personally love using concealer on a day-to-day basis, because I feel like it gives the right amount of coverage, does not feel heavy under your eyes, and also it's very lightweight as well, and it looks very natural, which is why I love using concealers. And Maybelline Fit Me obviously has to be one of my favorites. It just feels so lightweight under your eyes, but at the same time it gives you the coverage that you need as well. So first I'm going to start off by applying the concealer under my eyes, and as you can tell that I really need that coverage. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 36 Golden. I feel like this shade just works perfectly for my skin tone, and that's the thing about the Maybelline Fit Me concealers as well, that they have so many shades to choose from, and they suit Indian skin tones so well. And what I do is I apply the concealer where I feel like I need the most coverage. So obviously in the inner corner of my eye where I have the most darkness, and then I am just going to do the same thing on the other side as well. And as you can tell that I have all of these blemishes on my skin, so I'm going to be covering that with this concealer as well. Now for blending, you can either use your fingers, because it's a very creamy product, so it's going to blend everything very seamlessly and nicely, but I personally prefer using a brush. So I'm just going to take this and blend it under my eyes. And because I've let the concealer sit for a while on my skin, now I'm going to go in and just pat it, and as you can tell that my blemishes are almost gone. They're hidden completely with this concealer. So this is how the concealer looks like once it's all blended into the skin. And as you can tell that this alone has just given me that coverage and also evened out my skin tone so well. And that's the reason I feel like concealer is like a must-have in your makeup bag, and especially this one, because it just gives the right amount of coverage, still feels very natural. So this is what you can do on a day-to-day basis. Like, you can just go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just cover up your under eye area and be good to go. But on days where you need that extra bit of coverage, then you can also go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to show you how you can apply that. So now I'm going to show you how you can use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Now again, there are just so many shades to choose from, so you're definitely going to find a shade for yourself, which is amazing. And I just like to shake it up a bit and then open it up. And now it also comes with a pump, which is so good, so you're not going to waste any more product. And I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand. I'm not going to take too much product, because as you can tell that the concealer has already given me so much coverage, so I don't want to overdo it. And then I'm just going to take a brush. You can also use your fingers if you want to, because this is a very lightweight product and it has buildable coverage. So if you want light coverage, you can just go in with your fingers and use like a little amount of product. But if you want like heavier coverage, then you can do that as well with this. I'm just going to pat it into my skin, and even though it has a matte texture, it just does not feel drying. It still feels hydrating on my skin, which is what I really love about this. So this is how my skin looks like once I'm done applying the foundation and the concealer, and as you can tell that this has just evened out every single thing. It still feels very natural and lightweight on my skin and hydrating as well, even though it has a matte texture, which is why I'm obsessed with it, and I highly recommend you guys checking it out as well. I'm going to leave all of the product links in the description box below so you can shop it for yourselves. Now I'm going to seal all of this in, and for that I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and this is in the shade 235 Pure Beige. And this is how the powder looks like up close. It comes with a sponge, and it also has a mirror, which is really handy, so you can just touch up on the go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of the powder on the sponge, and wherever I feel like I tend to get oily, that's where I'm going to apply the product. So I'm going to apply it especially on my T-zone, because that's where I tend to get really oily, and on my chin as well, around the mouth. And just folding the sponge and applying it under my eyes as well. So I am done applying the powder, and still you can see that it does not look cakey whatsoever. It still feels very lightweight on my skin, does not feel heavy at all. Now what I want to do is I actually want to wear a mask and show you guys how transfer proof this base is as well. So as you can tell that there is literally no product on my mask right now. Make sure that you're wearing clean mask, and then I'm just going to wear it, and then we're going to show you how this actually is transfer proof as well. So now I'm just going to take off the mask and show you guys. Wow, I am so surprised. Just look at that. There is literally zero product transfer on this mask, and I'm just going to zoom you guys in. Like, there is literally nothing, which is amazing, and that's exactly what we need, especially when you're wearing a mask every single day and you don't want product transfer. So if you are someone who is on the lookout for new base products, then definitely give this range a go. These products are transfer proof, they are non-comedogenic, which is perfect, because you don't want to clog your pores, and also they feel very hydrating and natural on the skin, and I highly recommend you guys checking it out as well. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and let them know about these products. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.